Hi class, I want to introduce you to your English 1B course and I want to go over your syllabus and how to access it. So when you go into your PCC website, you go into Canvas, you have your shells. You're going to access our course that looks like this. And once you get into the class, the front page is the syllabus page. And so here is the syllabus. And I want to go over the syllabus with you, and I want to go over some parts of the class with you. But first of all, I want to let you know this is an asynchronous, fully online class. That means that we do not meet at any time or day of any particular hour. So you are going to access this class at your convenience, and you need to access the class at least 3 days a week and get all the information that you're going to do, and you're going to work at your own pace. So the advantage of taking a class online is that you get to work at your own pace. You don't have to show up to a physical classroom, but you do have to show up to a virtual classroom, and you will be required to spend time in the virtual classroom portion, which is this. I am the instructor for the class. My name is Ms. Surenyan-Krech. I have created this course for you. I have created the assignments for you, and I'm reading all of the assignments, and I'm doing all of the work for you. So I want to also let you know that this is my information, but if you want to contact me, the best way to contact me is to send an email in the inbox via Canvas. So that is the fastest way to contact me and get some information, whatever you need to know. So we're going to, this semester in English 1B, we're going to be looking at fiction, and we're going to look at the different elements of fiction. So we're going to look at short stories, we're going to look at poetry, we're going to look at drama, and we're going to look at the novel. And at the end of the semester, you're going to write a research paper. So this is an overview course of the different elements of short fiction and fiction writing in general. And this is a writing class, so you are going to be expected to write. Now, the book for the class, the required books are right here, the first book is Writing from Your Inner Voice, and then there's Rules for Writers, and also the American Heritage Dictionary. If you don't have the American Heritage Dictionary, you can use a different dictionary. I have put the pictures of the books on the syllabus so you can take a look at it. Writing from the Inner Voice is also accessible through the publisher if you want the ebook, and the link to the ebook is in the announcements, which is over here. So all you have to do is get the ebook that way, or you can access your PCC bookstore and get them through the PCC bookstore. Now, what we're going to do this semester, because this is a writing course, it's a critical thinking, critical reading, and writing course. You're going to write 4 essay exams, and each essay is worth 100 points, and there'll be a total of 400 points by the end of the semester. You are going to be required to participate in weekly discussions via Canvas and respond to 2 peers in the class, and it'll be worth a total of 200 points by the end of the semester. You will also be writing a research paper, which will be taken in 3 different drafts, and the total points for the research paper is 200 points, and you will also be given a final exam, and that will be worth 200 points. So that's a breakdown of all the points for the course and what you need to do this whole semester, with also your books. So it is your responsibility to attend this virtual classroom via online in this fashion with this platform at least 3 days a week. And so you need to participate and you need to work on this class. Now you do get to work on it at your own pace. So you can work on it 3 hours a day, you can work on it 2 hours a day, you can work on it 1 hour a day. It's up to you how you want to break it down. But I suggest that when you're working on this class, that you have a notebook and a pen with you and take notes of all the things that you're learning, because you're going to be using all of that information in your assignments. Now your assignments are all located, the whole class is located in the modules portion of this course. I want to caution you and not to go straight to assignments or discussions or quizzes or whatever it is that you do that you think that you can get by this class very quickly. The course is broken down in the modules unit. So here I have the modules. They're introduced to you. They're all put in numbers. And so we have an introduction module that introduces you to the course policies and has a little bit of an icebreaker. And then you will have the beginning module 1. You will have the different reading assignments that you're going to do for your essays and the assignments that you're going to learn from. So when you go into the modules, you will access this page like so, and then you just click, you do all the reading, and then you click on next. And sometimes I just have a video for you. So you will get something like this. If you just have a video, ignore this part and just click on the link and it'll take you straight to the video. And then when you're done, you just click on next, and then you go to the next page. And again, if it's just a video, you just click on the link. So sometimes I have videos, sometimes I have pages that I've written for you with assignments, and then sometimes you have a discussion. Whenever you have a discussion, you will just click on reply, and then you can reply to the discussion. And every time you have a discussion, please make sure that you respond to 2 classmates before the module closes. And then I have created pages like this for you where you have a picture and then you have some information. This is like the class lecture. So please make sure that you read these pages carefully, and that you understand how it works. So I've created pages of this nature for you. Now when we start with the class readings, with the modules, I give you the page numbers on the overview page of all the pages that we're going to be reading from the book. And it's always from Writing from the Inner Voice. All these pages are all going to be Writing from the Inner Voice, because that is the only book that we're going to have this semester. And then I give an overview of all the pages. And then when you get the assignments, this is another page with videos and links for you. Please take good notes on these pages, because this is where all your learning is happening. And then when I give you things to think about, or I explain things for you, I also have the page numbers from the book for you to also read. So these page numbers are from Writing from the Inner Voice. So please make sure that you read the book as well as do the assignments. You can go and do an overview of all the modules for the week. Just like go through it, like skim through it first, and then go back and look at it into detail, and then do your discussions. So I would like you to stay in numerical order and to follow the modules the way I've numbered it, because that's the way I want you to follow the class, and that's the way I do my class, and that's why I'm being very specific with you. Now also your textbook, and this is the ebook version of the textbook. The novel, it may be a while, it may take you a while to read the novel, but our novel is Sister Carrie for this class, and you can start reading it at your own pace before we get to the novel section, which is going to be at the end towards the end of the semester, right before the research paper is due. So you might want to start reading the novel right away. And all the readings are in the table of contents for the ebook. For the physical book, you have the same stuff, but you have it on a print page if you prefer the print page. So that's how I want you to do the class. And please note that once an assignment closes, it doesn't open again. So please keep that in mind, that you want to be very mindful about turning your work in on time and spending as much time as you can on Canvas. Remember, this class is at your own pace. So you can access the class at 10 o'clock at night, 10 o'clock in the morning. It doesn't matter. We are not going to meet synchronously together. So remember, it's an asynchronous class because it's a fully online class. So the advantages of having a fully online class is that you get me, but you get me at your own time. You get the class at your own time. You get all the information at your own time. And it might be easier for some people to work at their own pace and not to actually go to a physical classroom. And that's what an online class, the advantages of an online class. If you need any help and you have any questions, please make sure that you email me, and I will be very happy to talk to you and respond to you. But I do not respond over the weekends or on Fridays. So if you send me an email at Friday night at 10 o'clock, you will not get a response back until Monday morning. So please keep that in mind. I do check my email periodically during the day, especially Monday through Thursday. So that's just something that I wanted to let you know. So if you have any other questions, you can send me an email. Please feel free. Please do it through Canvas because it's much easier that way. There's an area here that says people, and this lists all the people in the class. And I am also here. So if you click on my name, like so, you can send me an email through my name, or you can just reply to in the inbox, reply to one of my emails. So you can do that. Anyways, if you have any questions, let me know, and let's have a wonderful semester.